Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Jurassic World Evolution 3 game crashes at startup, crashing to desktop or any other crashing error on PC. So without wasting a time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch option. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Jurassic World Evolution 3 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. And then go to properties. Now in the launch options, type -dx11, close the tab and then launch Jurassic World Evolution 3 game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the properties and this time type -dx12 and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the Jurassic World Evolution 3 properties, remove the command from the launch options and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2 is to update the graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type device manager and open it. Expand the display adapters, then right click on your graphic card driver and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. This will install the latest driver on your PC and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you are having the AMD graphic card driver, then go to AMD website. If you are having NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to NVIDIA website. And if you are having Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links are provided in video description. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you are on the NVIDIA website, now you have to select your version of graphic card driver from here. Then select the Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Simply click on agree and continue. And then select custom advanced option and then click on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then click on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC once and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to run the Jurassic World Evolution 3 game as an admin. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Jurassic World Evolution 3 game and then click on manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. The path is C drive, program files x86, Steam apps, common, Jurassic World Evolution 3 folder. Here right click on JWE3exe file and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and tick mark run this program as an administrator. Hit apply, OK. Then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If not, then modify the compatibility settings. So again right click on JWE3exe file, select properties, go to compatibility tab, tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 and then hit apply, OK. Then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, then hit apply, OK. Then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the compatibility tab and this time also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit apply, OK. Then launch the game and check. And if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes from the compatibility tab and then hit apply, OK. And then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Jurassic World Evolution 3 game. This is just an example. And then go to properties, click on install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this official website of Microsoft. Link is given in my video description. And once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 and x86 version. Now you have to install both x64 and x86 version. So first click on x64 version. If you see repair option, then click on repair. If you see install option, then click on install. and install it. Next, click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Then just restart your PC once, and then you can launch the game and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to disable overlay. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Jurassic World Evolution 3 game, select properties. Now turn off enable the Steam overlay while in game option. So turn it off, and then you can launch the game and check. Also disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, Discord, and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to delete the saved game files. Now please take a note, first create a backup of this folder because all the game progress will be lost. Now open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, open App Data folder. If you don't see App Data folder over here, then click on this view, show, and check mark hidden items. Then open App Data folder, then open Local folder, then open Frontier Developments folder, and within the Frontier Developments folder you will find the Jurassic World Evolution 3 folder. So first copy this folder and paste it to desktop to keep the backup, and after keeping the backup, right click on Jurassic World Evolution 3 folder and select delete to delete it. Now you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to update Windows. So go to the Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update. Then click on Check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install it. And then restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now this is the last solution. If none of the solution work for you, then uninstall Jurassic World Evolution 3 game from your PC. Restart your PC once and then reinstall the game. You can reinstall the game to SSD drive or any other external SSD drive, and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Jurassic World Evolution 3 game crashes at a startup, crashing to desktop issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.